Hello everyone. Today I share how to create a Web 2.0 backlink from WordPress. A qualitative backlink is very important to Google rank. So this video is very important. Don't skip the video and never forget to subscribe my channel to get new video. Let's go. At first I'm check the WordPress website DAPA and spam score because for create a backlink, a website DAPA and spam score is very important. Okay, now I am fill up the captcha. You can see WordPress website domain authority is 94 and page authority is 100 and spam score is only 1%. That might be a perfect website to create a backlink. To create backlink, we need to go WordPress website. I enter the WordPress website. To create a free website, click on Get Started. After click on Get Started, you can see like this from. You can give here your email address and a unique username and keep a strong password. You can also sign up from here from your Google account. After give all information, you can see like this interface. Then you give your domain name. I give my domain name, then choice free plan, select and click on start with free. My free website be ready. Okay, now I am select my goal. Okay, now I am skip many option. My free website be ready. Take a few seconds time. Okay, now you can see like this interface. At first, to create you have to need your website launched. For launch your website, click on launch your site. Then you can see your website is launched. You can change your website theme. For change your theme, go on appearance and click on themes. You can see many themes are available here, totally free. I'm select a theme from here. I select this theme for blogging. And click on active this design. Okay, now I am go to dashboard. Now I create a backlink from this website. To create a backlink, click on right option. After click on right option, you can do post and you can create a backlink. To create a backlink, you need a unique content. Again say that without a unique content or plagiarism free content, your backlink do not work. Now I give my post title. Okay. Now I am copying my unique content. Content must be your keyword related. Okay, my keyword is tour guide or my website is to related tour guide, so I am copy my website URL to create a backlink and I select tour guide keyword because my website is tour guide related. and I am post here my website URL. Okay, now I am click on publish. Okay, you can see my post is ready and click on view post. Okay, you can see my post is ready and my backlink also create from here. So this way you can take many backlink from WordPress. Thanks for watching.